Hey guys, it's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Mini-Lite 2204S. Twin beds up front, dinette slide out. We equipped this with solar panel, 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator, awning topper. So very well equipped, nice floor plan. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, do me a favor, watch till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. So make sure to watch till the end, check out what it looks like with the slide in. Also, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper, RV, motorhome on. Be the first one to see new colors, new decors like this Newport Ash, new floor plans, so make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, standing at the front looking back, you see the kitchen on the left, the bathroom, your refrigerator, your dinette slide out, stone decor, your Newport Ash Cabinetry, twin beds up front, overhead storage, nice large windows. That's where we'll start. As you come in, you see the large shoe cubby hole. Both twin beds lift up and have storage underneath. There's the shoe cubby hole. There is your griddle for the outside and the boxes, but storage accessible from the outside. Shocks that hold it up. Charging area and a nice countertop there. If you want to make this a large bed up front, you can. You can store those mattresses underneath. I'll show you a setup and breakdown of making this into one large bed. All right, the twin mattresses mentioned. Good place to store those are under this mattress. Easy to access to get these out. What's nice about these mattresses, they have the solid base on the bottom, so a hard bottom. And you've got a ledge that these sit down on, and then you've got a large sleeping area. The one nice feature here is 78 inches long, so camper queen length, but you're 94 inches wide. So, I mean, technically, you could really sleep 3 people in here. So it is wider than your standard king size bed. So nice feature there. You've got a good setup and easy to break down to store it when you're not using it, or if you want the twin beds. The twin beds being twin mattresses, 36 by 78. The windshield up front. You do have a screen. The windows on the sides do open, so you get good cross breeze. You do have a curtain to close off the beds here. Max air fan in the ceiling. Ducted AC throughout. Your control panel is here up front. Control your slide, check your holding tanks, your awning, everything in one area. Good storage. TV is on a swivel arm, so you can see it from the bed. You can see it from the dinette. What's also nice with the swivel arm is easy access to the back of it. Get to your controls, your hookups if you want to add a PlayStation, satellite, anything like that. You can get to it because it's on a swivel. Kitchen countertop has charging areas that recess down into the countertop. Dual stainless steel sink with sink covers. Countertop extension, large oven with a flush mount cover. We did equip this with a solar panel. So the solar panel has a charging area, so you can check your voltage, your battery tender right here from this location. You can control your thermostat from here, exhaust for your range hood, stainless steel microwave, IRV technologies. You can sync your phone to this. You have USB, you have HDMI hookups right here, inside and outside speakers. With that solar panel, we did the 12-volt refrigerator. So larger 10 cubic foot will run on your battery. Solar panel right now is what we got going on. The battery is being charged by that. Rockwood includes the TST, so truck monitoring system. Check your pressure, your temperature, any leaks in your tires. Nice safety feature there. Good storage. The shelves are removable and you can have hanging there if you need it. Booth dinette. This table is removable. I'll show you a setup and breakdown of that. Alright, so there's a lock right on the front. Pull that lever, dinette drops down. Slide it in place. What's nice about this, there is a Velcro tab all the way around. The table is best to travel in this position. Then you also have a large bed here whenever you need it. Setting it back up, utilize those Velcro tabs for the cushions. Pull the table out. The table just raises up, locks in place, and then you're all set back up, ready to eat. With the table, pull the table out. You've got no pedestal, so nice clean area, nothing to bump your feet on. You've got storage underneath, nice deep drawers, and overhead storage. In the slide out behind the dinette, you've got more storage. Again, remove the shelves and you've got a nice large wardrobe. So very nice 2021 Forest River Rockwood Mini-Lite. Let's work our way to the outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside. You see the nice front logo, automotive windshield, LED light on the front, power tongue jack, two 30-pound LP bottles, spot for two batteries. It does come with one. The Rockwood's got a dry weight of 4,802 pounds. You've got a nice 7-pin holder and a little built-in chain holder as well. This one we equipped with manual stabilizer jacks. I'll show you a video link to those operating instructions. You can order this with electric stabilizer jacks or the manual. Your control for your docking lights. Magnetic latch that holds your compartment door open. A little bit of pass-through storage and your storage here. We did equip this with awning toppers over your slide out. Frameless windows, another storage bin. Storage here as well. A lot of these are accessible from the inside and outside. Your convenience area, your black tank flush, your 30 amp plug, your black and gray tank, factory installed ladder. I'll show you a quick look at the roof. There's your roof, two max air vent covers, skylight, TV antenna, your solar panel, your AC, and then the top of that slide toppler on your roof. Rockwood gives you a receiver. So the receiver's got a 300-pound hitch weight, so it's not for towing, but you could put a small bike rack or some gear on the back here. Hot and cold outside shower. Prepped for backup camera. Spare tire goes around the bumper. Full-length power awning with LED lights. Outside speakers. There's the exhaust for your range hood. Your track here for prep table and a outside griddle that does tee off of your propane up front. Aluminum rims. You can bring the TV outside, plug it in here, mount it here on the wall. 2204. It's got the 3 entry step above. Steps folds right up into the camper, nice and clean, no exposed frame. Adjustable legs, so all kinds of terrain, you'll be stable right all the way to the ground. Screenshot screen door, closes the screen door for you. Friction hinge on the door, keeps it wherever you like, or you can latch it against the wall there. The Rockwood difference, they give you a breakdown of all the standard and options that you can get on a Rockwood. So nice features there, the Dexter axles, the Lippert components, your Furrion items, which is the backup camera prep, Goodyear tires, key to like is a new feature for 2021. Max air vent covers, so it comes with one that they include. So nice package there, fully enclosed underbelly. So just why the Rockwood is, it is what it is. Good storage up front. Again, magnetic latches, key to like. We did equip this with the solar panel you saw on the roof, but you do have a prep here also if you wanted to do a portable panel. Again, that's just going to trickle charge those batteries. So your brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Mini-Lite 2204S. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, as promised, slide out in. I mean, you could probably squeeze through here, but you're not getting in the bathroom. You're not getting to the refrigerator. So slide out in. Really all you have access to is some storage and the mattress up front.